Euro Yen daily forecast, March 21st, FXEmpire.com. The Euro Yen, as you can see, shot straight up during the session on Wednesday and essentially filled this gap that we had uh, over the when we opened up from the weekend. That being said, now the question is, will it be resistance? And we have to say that there are a lot of reasons to think that it will be, just looking at the chart. Sometimes you have to look beyond the chart, though. This shooting star formed right at 125 in and of itself is a pretty resistive looking area. But on top of that, you have the gap. Now that we're at the top of it, the question is will it hold? And of course, you have all of this previous action. You have the problems in Europe, of course, which would tend to make you want to shy away from the euro also. But having said that, this moved up based upon a rumor that the Bank of Japan was going to announce further asset purchases and probably a massive one that would really kind of take the market by surprise. If that were the case, then it would make sense that we would continue higher. The Bank of Japan is working actively against the value of the yen. So even though we see all this resistance here, we don't necessarily ignore it. What we do is we use it as a cue. If we can get above that, and that is the 126 handle, we think that's an ultra bullish sign. And at that point in time, would be willing to buy and hold because it would probably make its way to 130 given enough time. If we pull back, we see 120 as being ultra supportive, and quite frankly, 122 is as well. So we may not even get to pull back that far. And on signs of support, would be willing to buy. We think a real dogfight's going to happen up here at 125, but we do think eventually this pair does go higher.